This Canva hack might break the internet. If you search for YouTube thumbnail, then click on the template, and you just create a blank one, and you add in a sweet GIF of yourself, and you add in a title and a play button so it looks like this, and then you download it as a GIF, stick with me here, and then you drag it into an email, and then you highlight it, click on the insert link button here, and paste your YouTube video link. You can then email GIFs like this that are clickable, and it takes you directly to a YouTube video. This Canva hack is going to straight up break the internet. First, you want to come down to uploads and drag in any video, any size. We're going to resize our videos. Check this out. We're going to type in TikTok, and it doesn't matter if it's a horizontal video. You can just drag this right in, and it's going to automatically resize that video. You can even adjust the crop if you want. You can also do this for a square video, same thing, and any social media format that you want. Follow for more Canva tips, tricks, and hacks. Upload any image right into Canva, then just pull that image into the canvas you're editing. Come up here, click on Edit Image, and then Background Remover. And it does a pretty fantastic job.